2022 Chevy Trax. I'm gonna do this dome light right here. This one's actually pretty difficult. So my light doesn't work. What you want to do is get something like this, plastic pry bar. And so basically how this is set up is there's a metal tab on the back of this that's hanging over the headliner on the inside. So we're gonna want to lower it from this side, pull it down, and then slide it outwards. So let's see if I can do it. And then there's smaller metal tabs right here and here holding it in place. So the way I did it is I come in on this side, try not to push on the headliner too much because you could dent it easily. And then you just want to kind of push and pull down. Like that. Once you get it a little down, let's see if we can just kind of wiggle it and pull it out a little bit. Let's see what's going on up there. Push this in. Okay, so here's this tab I was talking about. I don't know if I can get a good shot of it, but that tab's there. And then there's one on the side here as well, and then on the other side as well. So, and then this just comes down like that. The connector for this is like over here. I don't know how Chevy thinks people are going to be, I don't know, but you can get to the bulb. So basically the way this bulb's set up is on this side it's a spring, I don't know if you can tell, and on this side it's just like a little spot that it's like a track. So when you put this in, you're going to put the bulb in over here on the spring first and then slide it up this track. Alright, so let's go ahead and to get it off, it's kind of the same thing. I'm going to be just pushing it and then sliding down on that right side. Here's my bulb. Go ahead and put a picture of the bulb. Alright, so when you do your new one, we're going to put it on the spring first over here, and then we're going to go up that track. It's going to be like almost impossible to do with one hand while I'm filming, but I'm going to push it on here, and then I'm going to come up from the bottom on this side up to lock it into place. See if I can do it. Oh, gotta do it two hands, guys, sorry. Alright, so I put it in, I put this side in first, and then I had on the right side right here, I put it on the bottom, and then I slid up into that lock position. And then once that's in, you can test it. Okay, it's good. And then I'm gonna try to get this side in first because there's a metal tab right there. Or I guess I can't actually, so what I'm gonna do is just try to, you could kind of bend these tabs like minimally. We'll just try to get this in first over here. Gotta get that back into place. And then you kind of slide it back and forth or slide it left and right to kind of get it in. So that's what I did. I just kind of had to slide it back and forth or tilt it this way, tilt it that way to push it in place. Not really a good design in my opinion, but that's how I did it. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Check the link for descriptions for the bulb, and I'll see you next video.
Guys, I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.